Are psychopaths born evil, or do life experiences create them? What if I told you their brains are physically different from ours? This is the science of the soulless. A psychopath isn't just a killer. It's a person with a broken conscience, no empathy, and often a calming mask. They know what they're doing is wrong, they just don't care. Studies show reduced activity in the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. These areas control emotion, impulse, and morality. Without them working properly, they can hurt without feeling. A normal brain reacts to images of pain or fear, but a psychopath's brain stays cold. It's like watching horror and feeling nothing. The scariest part? They can imitate emotions. They mirror what empathy looks like without ever feeling it. Ted Bundy helped women carry books and later murdered them. He scored high on intelligence, but had zero remorse. A textbook psychopath. Some are born with broken wiring, but many are shaped by abuse, neglect, or early trauma. Environment can activate the darkness within. Brain scans show less connectivity between motion and decision. Making centers, it's not just coldness, it's neurological isolation. Many psychopaths are not killers. They become manipulators, CEOs, or con artists because they feel no guilt. They can fake everything. Therapy often fails because they don't want to change. You can't teach remorse to someone who's never felt it. The most dangerous mind is the one that knows how to act human, but isn't one deep inside. Not all monsters have claws. Some wear a smile. Want to explore more minds like these? Subscribe to uncover the truth most fear to face, because understanding evil is the first step to stopping it.